one way to be enthusiastic is gratitude. A son never does anything for his mother and father because his consciousness is covered by ego and selfishness. And the parents increase that by their undivided attention and love. So they increase the sense of falsity and the ego of the son or daughter. But sometimes, some fortunate children, they realize, oh, my mother and father have actually done so much for me, and they've given so much, and they've helped me so much. And then they start to feel grateful. And from that gratitude arises an enthusiasm, a desire to serve, return the love I received, return the mercy I've received, return the kindness I've received by trying to love and serve and help my mother and father. So now take that mother and father and replace it with Krishna in your own life.